Yeah, welcome back to the channel, Jamaica Tour. So sorry, like, subscribe, and comment, right? So nowadays I upload some video about my channel. Now you can be let's say computer science wise. So now show you what I go on my channel. So over here, so behind me, I'm a main setup where we can watch and do anything. So now I have three devices connected on this main setup over here. My game, computer, and my phone. I have so many ways I can control a phone. Most people don't really understand. So I'm teaching about computer, phone, and TV. Right? So over here, so we have some device where I'm gonna make my own little setup so everybody can understand what I go on. So right, so I have on screen already. So if you don't have no TV or whatever, you can use that. So meanwhile now watch your channel, you can understand what I go on. So this is a computer monitor. Yeah. So I have it on the bracket right there. So this I go view and connect the computer. The computer go stay from over here. Sorry for the up and down. Computer go stay from right there, so. Which when me over here, so I'm supposed to can control it the same way on the same monitor. Right? So I have, I think it's two monitors. Two monitors runner show. Alright? So each of them monitor each different program on computer, as in not Windows, Android 11, Android 12. So I'm going to show you what the TV then can do and cannot do. Right? So this TV up is a Samsung TV, as I say. Right? As when they watch your channel before or who watch your subscribe. This is another one where, for instance, me that room here, so I don't want to go in the studio part. I can't stay around here, so and use it as but I want to know from the basics. So over here, so I got set up. Yeah. So as I said, we have the monitor already. Alright. So PC I got this, so but it look too simple, right? So I got to put it on this computer monitor stand, but turn it in the stand, so catch it way. Right? I'm gonna put this right side this way. Alright, turn it on to alright. Alright. So right now, meanwhile I work, I need something for hold the phone in, so I'm gonna use this controller. Come with a stand. Right? So I'm gonna put the phone inside of it. So there you go, and it's free. And it's free. Wow. Too much water. You know that tree drop a while ago. Now if I'm gonna look on that. Alright. So we have the PC and we have the monitor set up. Right? So now we have to go power them. Right? Yes, alright, we have to power them. So I'm gonna get the phone rested. Right? Yeah, get the phone rested. So it wants power card. Sorry. I don't know why I didn't have them prepared. Okay. Go over there. Don't know why I didn't take out the power cord. Or did I? So this is the power cord. Where's the power cord? Yeah, there. Right? Get the monitor up. So as you can see, there's a line in this monitor. Flick out and flick in when you feel. So there's a white line in the monitor. So as I say, over there says the main one. So with the monitor looking like that, we can't really use it that often, right? So we're gonna learn how to connect it on the big monitor over there, so which is 3 TV, right? So we're gonna send this PC over to that system over there. Yeah? But eventually I'm gonna change this monitor to one TV we have all the connection anyway. To bypass most of them equipment that we're gonna use. Yeah. Right? So that's the TV power card. The monitor power card, right? So now we have to power up the PC. So many places to look from. Power card. So I have to be digging around. Sorry about that. What I got there. So here's another power card for the PC. Right? So PC have power, monitor have power. So we need a mouse and a keyboard, right? So let's see. So we have some equipment here. So a mouse. Put the mouse over here. And we have a keyboard, right? So I'm gonna give you step by step. So in each step, now I'll show now. Alright, I'm using a PC now, laptop. So it's going to be 4 stages. So PC, I'm gonna have the laptop here, so this is a laptop fan to go and cool it down, right? And over here, so over here, so I have a tablet. Yeah. As me always explain, it's just me alone, so not for bear with me, right? So alright. So we're gonna set up the back of the PC. Now I use the front of the phone. Alright? So we have a mouse and we have a keyboard. Alright, so I'll turn it back. That's my Serena fall, so. So this is the back of the PC. So you have the USB ports. So you have one and two. What was the name? No, it's okay. Let me say power port. Yeah. So we just need them there for now. Oh, sorry. I need it up, man. But I'm not saying me, Oh, the video card. I also need the video card. Video card. Obviously, HDMI port, and this has a other connector, so we don't have this connector. So, I'll never fix that. I'll never fix that. Oh, never fix that. It's like a rain apple. Like a rain apple, sorry, the rain is falling. Now we'll continue the video on it like that. That's how I see it. If we do it again, then we'll put the video shot and then we'll continue on the camera and start it, right? So, this, right? And the other is a HDMI port, right? And I'm going to plug in this, my back of the PC, and then I'm going to take out this to connect with this. Yeah? And do this. So, see? And the HDMI, right? that connect. Right? So the other port you know make sure, right? This is I have a HDMI output, right? I have a HDMI output. This. So this part I'm now use and send it over that side, right? HDMI. Two connection points. So we are doing now a power it up. Come here, we're going out again. You should know my boy. You should know my boy. Nah, turn on. So maybe you don't have a PC at home, I'll do the same thing like this. So reason not turn on. In the next video I'm going to go into this and see why it not turn on. So those are the connection for a PC. It's not turning on, so just give me a different content now. Video. So as I said, I fix these things. Alright, so even my own now work right now. So it'll even come in on it. So I'm going to pull it down back now. I'm pull it down back. Okay, it's over here, so. Alright, you get over integrate by the way. Okay, here's my fixing station. So come out now, brother. So over here, so I'm fix. So alright, this is the reason why I have to have all these devices, because you get up one day just say you want just use one simple computer, it's not working. Because yeah, this good at work. Now I try to turn it on, it's not going. So I have to pull it down back. So I pull it down back and I go use a laptop instead. So this is why I learn all of these skills. Because if we have a good PC or something, and for some reason you get up one day, it's not working, what you have to do? So, for some reason it's not powering, as I show you. Nah, it's in the display light. So, now I'm going to waste my time for trying to put my. I want to get one of us say, oh, with back to school, how you can have certain edge over the device them for the kids then. I'm sorry, but kids are just suck. Eh? Alright. Yeah, so PC for me panel video shooter, so I'm going to skip the PC and use a laptop. So the PC wasn't working, so I'm going to skip the PC and make that a different video shoot of how to fix the PC or find out what's wrong with the PC. So, gotta have good ways of work things now. Alright, so now I set up back with something simple. Alright, so I'm gonna see how I'm gonna go about setting up a little setup with a PC. So I put up at this. So here, so we have a laptop, right? So as I say, PC for me, but I love gadgets. I'm not sure how to have gadgets and why you have gadgets, or if you're running a difficulty, how to get out of the difficulty. Yeah. So I will put the PC in the same spot. So, you come home, you always have a laptop in a school, in a classroom or whatever. You want to put it somewhere, right? You come home and you want. Come out and you stress the computer, you have it all both, you know. So when you come home, you just want to dock it somewhere. So, as I said, you dock it right or so. Right? So it's docked. I say you have an extra monitor, so wherever in your house you want to have your money. Right? So this laptop is working perfectly fine. But I will show you other video without the computer not working, without you don't have a screen and etc. But you know, I come home from work, or so I want to enjoy why I work. So when I come home to you, I set up like this. So, you power on the laptop. So, let me write the power on. Now go on. So, as I said, we do make sure no over there, so it's going to lead us to even build something like this, not most. So, alright, as I said, the laptop will go over there. So right there, someone have one game, maybe one PlayStation or an Xbox. So, Xbox I got there at that angle, the laptop that angle. And as I see, I have a phone right in the middle, right this way. If I feel like we just want to take a phone, we'll take a phone and go and browse. Or if my daughter come home and just say she want to watch something, she will watch that. Right? So there's the laptop come up. Right? So you have a laptop, and but as I try to explain, a laptop, a PC, a phone, all of them to me is a computer. So whatever I'm going to do with this are the same result we could have done with the PC. Only thing, you don't have a screen, right? So now I'm showing you how if the computer, the laptop don't have a screen, with knowing this knowledge, I will make sure with the monitor and all of that. You don't have to even fret if the screen damaged or it broke or something. For instance, alright, let me take out one laptop. This is a laptop, I don't have a screen, it broke off. Right? So, I'm going to show you how to even build a setup with a computer like this. So it's not, but to me, with knowing this knowledge, all of that, all I have to do is use this as a PC. This is a laptop, you know, but this can work just as, yes, you can, once it is a PC. So once the laptop you know it work, you just turn it into a PC. A PC is this. You don't come in a monitor, you have to add additional support on it. I same thing with this laptop board, yeah? So I'm showing you how to even add that in our setup. Yeah? Showing you how to build it from scratch. Or build it up back from scratch. Change the memory, hard drive and etc. Yeah? So I'm gonna put back this in here. So alright, as I say, it's a working PC. Working, but we just are showing you how, right? So see if we can open it. Yeah man, good talent come from all about, brother. All about good talent. So with this PC, I'm not gonna do it, I'm gonna change the hard drive, but that I done in the future. Right? I change the hard drive out right and get a faster hard drive. But as we say, alright. This is the secondary screen. This is the first screen, right? So you have it. For instance, I watch something on YouTube. Okay? So same procedure. Different PC, different laptop come with different ports. So this as you can see, this only come with an HDMI port. This monitor doesn't come with an HDMI port. Like I'm showing you, this is the port it comes with, right? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna stand here, man, yeah? So I'm gonna stand here. So as I say, same procedure. HDMI to AVJ port. So okay. Yeah, I'm just going to plug it on. Plug it in. As I say, be a problem, man. Be a problem. Be a problem. So, as a giant, I'm going to say, quick fast. See? Now I get you. Now I get you. You see? Not each. Certainly put it. So monitor, now I'm gonna adjust it. So that's why I have to build a master setup. Because growing up and learning physics, computer and something, something now I read right, I eventually might just start go. So I'm tired of that, right? So it's not working right here on this monitor. Right? Maybe the pixel ain't too high. So let's see it? You have to touch the keyboard. Alright. Ring. So I was going to say, you have to change the money. So the reason why I do that, we know somehow we say we are going to some setup, so we're not going to buy some monitor or get some monitor. It's not going to last. It's not going to last. It's not going to last. So I'm going to start dealing with a problem with blank in and blank out. Now get a good reception. You know what I'm saying? I don't think the car has shot. I don't think the car has shot. So this is where the master comes. So until we change this monitor, this setup here, we can fix things now work. Unless. So instead of go over this, as we shown you with a screwdriver, I'm going to turn you so you need to when we fix or whatever. In a future reference, I'm sure. So, the reason I build over this now, I forget you that all of this. So just by taking up this, or just plugging up this, right? I'm going to leave that stuff for some time. So yes, I'm going to just be able to fix it here. For some reason, something happened. I'm fine with something. Now I'm going to move this, put it over this now when you send for the laptop, right? So let's take pictures. Okay. So, where's the laptop? So, I'm going to find it over something wrong with the monitor, not showing none at all. Or not sure. The PC don't work, the laptop doesn't make no image, but you could access some control, and it's right here, Wi-Fi, right? This is something. So this is my phone device. So I'm gonna plug this. Plug this, not this. Right? Plug this. Plug this. And this. Camera fell, fam. That wasn't nice. It wasn't nice, fam. So that's why I'm there for abandon the AVJ car. Eventually they stop working, right? So this is by coming over here and turn on my TV. There you go. So I'm gonna switch out this and put a TV because AVJ now give me no justice. You just want something simple, I could just turn on and control. So it's not working, ain't it? Right. So over here, so I'm gonna become like a fold down. But the AVJ, I know it. Not for you, Steve. Right? No, I use the HDMI card. So HDMI card is a HDMI end to an extent, right? And I plug it in my laptop. So I'm sending it to my laptop. I have to feed it in my porch. Why? What did I say? What did I say? Something wrong here. This is a HDMI splitter. So this allows me to have myself from one device to 4 devices. So this is one of the TV, which as myself in our studio where if we get a computer fix or whatever, just boom bam boom. Huh? So this is it. HDMI expert. Oh my days. Sorry, we have to go under the decks. What's up, my bag show? Just there at the same time. Alright. So this is the device. You pour it up by that, like that. I already have 3 TV connected in it, as I said. I'm going to plug in the laptop tonight now. Yeah. And when it's coming back again, yeah? When it's coming back. So that is the TV, that is the laptop, or as I say, can be a PC. Whatever it can be. And so it's a tablet also. So I'm going to wake up my TV, remote. Alright. HDMI, and there you go. You see it? I'm going to turn on the next TV now. Look at gadgets, the work in progress. Continue to like, share, and subscribe. So here's my NHTV, and I'll press source. And there you go, that's 2 TV. So the rain a fall. Anywhere me there in my house. You get a computer for fix same procedure. Can sit down anywhere. So this is Jamaica 3 Road Tour. So as I say, I want to use here, so that's one time I come home, can't bother if even turn on everything like that. But as I say, once I dock my laptop right here, so or my phone, yeah. So I have to take down that monitor and get a different TV put right, so as I say, my main laptop I got it right, so instead of me have to move my laptop to people to fix it, for instance, let's get so now this is the C type port. So you see as I say 3 different devices you can use also. Right? So now I'm going to set up the phone this. Right? Yeah, peeps, like, share and subscribe, eh? So now you're along for back to school. So then a nice little painting. Now this is my phone. Yeah. You can use the phone as a PC. You can use the phone as a PC. How do you use a phone as a PC now? This plus this. There's an HDMI port. It has a C type in. Beautiful, I think. Right? So this is a note. Yeah. So anyone I S-line them, so the screen is not working. The screen not working. Right? As I say over here, so I'm going to put in the PC. I say I'm going to have a game. So PC is ready. I'm going to switch it. Go on. I'm going to do that for now. Yeah? You say we can watch one piece and click on fast. Click on fast. Okay, we can watch one. So for sure, I'm going to get a copyright. The more I lie down and feel like sitting up now suit me. Just turn on the top TV and lie down and watch it. But I have to enjoy life, you know. One life all I get, you know, so you have to enjoy it, you know. So this one I will be when I use and edit. So as I say, I show no content just raw. Because I don't know, make up nothing or whatever, I know me I do. So I'm going to start using my PC and do some proper video, going back some music video. Most of them views and subscribe get from music. And all of this can let me know. So I just say place. And I set it up at neat. Yeah. You can't even use it. So before watching this and that get distracting, just by pressing P, press the home key and P, you get an option right there, so you can duplicate it or just a second screen only. So that's why I'm speaking second screen only. You don't gonna see it up there, so that's why I have my keyboard and the next mouse over so I can connect in a PC, laptop or the phone and stream it to my TV. So we cut out all of them, look at something away. I have to get them download. So maybe somebody asked me to fix a computer for them and whatever. I have these devices will help me. As I say, if you can pull on back the PC or whatever, yeah, so this I go use right after. So I have the key, I have the keyboard, and I have the mouse for the whatever programming or whatever. So as you see, this failed me. The PC never work out. But as I say, years I use this sort of setup and most of them they work. And simple setup when I just shown. That's how you connect a computer. You press the power key and use it. But if you don't have a PC, as we say, you have a laptop and you want a nice little setup. This is a nice little setup. Maybe it's a PC guy, you can find something. You might not have a table like that. So as I say, if you look a small something like that, you can get creative with a little TV or look at something like I say. Even if you have more than one TV, make sure so you can have it all both, wherever you want. So as I say, 4 inputs. So far only see 3 output. 1 TV run here, so next 2 run here, so. As I say, sorry about the rain. Today is a rainy day. Yeah. And this is how we kick back and enjoy life, you know. So continue watching, like, support, and yeah, so I'll just show you. Yeah man, so I put back everything in place before I end the show, so the place untidy, so I have to straighten it up back. I just want to show now the knowledge of knowing computer science and what you can do for yourself. So thank you and goodbye.